Let's get our 2K highest definition video in just 1 minute and be done from here. Open your browser and type in VMAKE AI. Then click on the login/sign up button in the upper right corner. Sign up with your preferred method. You will be welcomed and given 5 tokens to free users per account. So again, if you want to create more projects, then consider creating an account for your mom, dad, your bros, sis, or siblings. Haha. But seriously guys, let's proceed. Close the welcome pop-up and find video quality enhancer, then click upload to upload our videos. You can upload as many videos at once guys, so add all of your videos. Now wait for VMAKE AI to perform its magic. I think our videos are ready now guys, and they look really good. I'm gonna preview them so you see the quality. Click on download full HD to download your full HD videos, or click download 5 seconds preview to get a free 5 seconds preview videos of your avatar. You can download unlimited 5 seconds preview videos even if you're out of tokens guys, so enjoy. Now let's take a look of our final work.
Hey guys, Isaac here from the Isaac's AI Academy, and today is a demonstration of how we can create a talking avatar for free.
Hope you are already enjoying this session, and hopefully you can be able to create your own avatar at the end of this video completely free.